Welcome to the fifth video in the row AMS 4.0 How to Videos. In the prior video Personnel and Cards, we learned how to create users and how to enroll cards for those users. In this video we are going to design and print these cards, so that they will become more personal. We have an example of a badge design that we would like to use in the RoHo office. Let's introduce the tool Badge Designer. It can be found under Configuration. But it runs in a separate window from the AMS configuration. First, we need to select a layout. That should be compatible with the size of the card we use. We select the template LCR80. It makes sense to save the layout so now and then during your design phase. If a printer for double-sided printing is available, it is possible to provide a double-sided layout. Do not forget to select the division common and then click Apply. Top of the card must be a dark blue bar with the text identification card. From the available tools, we select the rectangle and position it at the top of the card, so that it completely covers the full width of the badge. We change the background color to dark blue. Perfect. Now let's get the text in the bar. From the tools we now select Label. The initial value for a new label is always the word empty. The default font is Times Roman. Let's change that first. Also we change the color and we will insert the text. Now we position the text nicely centered in the bar. To make the card more personal, we like to add the employee's portrait on the card. The tool is Cardholder Picture. It will find the photos we added in the previous video to all employees. We position the photo on the left-hand side of the card, big enough to easily identify the owner. According to the sample, we create a dark blue line around the photo. Let's add the gray labels to the badge. We will format the labels to Arial. 8 points. Semi-bold. Middle gray. We set the starting position of the static text very precisely so that we can align it with all other text. Before entering the text, we just copy and paste the initial label to get 5 labels as in the sample. Now we change the text in all 5 labels according to the contents: name, department, employee number, issuing, and expiration date. And save our work once again. The first 3 fields need to read values from the person records. The other 2 fields from the card records. The information we want to print on the cards: first and last name, person number, and department from the person records. And valid from date and valid until date from the card's records. So let's get back to the design and create the necessary fields. We will start again with empty labels, format them and position them on the layout. Each field will have the same horizontal start position and 55 points right vertical start position from the gray labels. Now we replace the word empty with the contents of the fields. Person first and last name. Person department. Person ID. Authorization issuing date. And authorization expiring date. We are happy with the dates, but do not necessarily need the timing. We will skip that by making the field a bit smaller. The last item we need on the badge is the row logo. Before placing the picture on the badge, put the image placeholder on the proper position so that the selected image will fit perfectly. Almost any graphical format is allowed here. Our logo is in PNG format. The logo, in the contrary to the cardholder photo, does not need aligning around the picture. To print the badges you need a special card printer. They are available in different classes. We navigate back to the Personnel Data menu, and then Print Badges. Here is the layout we created, and next to it you find the Print button. This is the badge of the boss. Department General Management. Here is Gianna Garcia. Department Marketing. Tsukio Tanaka. Department Office Management. And last but not least, James Williams. Department Sales. And that was all. So far the 5th video about badge design. The next video in the row is about access control and emergency.